생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 호텔에서 시설 이용할 때
Hello, can I use the gym?
Yes, it's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Great. Is there a laundry room here?
Yes, it's on the basement level.
Do you have a sauna?
Yes, it's next to the pool.
Is there a luggage storage service?
Yes, it's next to the reception.
Can I use the pool now?
Yes, it's available now.
Is there a vending machine on this floor?
Yes, it's near the elevator.
Where is the elevator?
It's at the end of the hallway.
And can I use the kitchen?
Yes, please ask the reception before using it.